Okay, when it's rested, I like to slice it a little bit thicker on one end and thinner on the other end. Then I use a scraper to help me lift it up. Starting with the thin end, I roll right near my thumb and I roll them out as thin as I'm able. While I'm rolling it, I'm slightly pulling the thick end. See how I just roll it over on the inside of the palm of my hand. And then I slowly work my way up the thicker end. See how it's a little thinner here and a little thicker here? You just want to roll it in the thicker areas to just even it out. I slowly roll out one long noodle and I twirl it around the semolina so it doesn't stick.